her mother-in-law regrets ever helping.
She asked you to co-sign a loan for her for a car.
She did. When she abandoned my son and her child, she also deserted the car.
Now she's only looking out for herself.
Sign off so that she could sell the car and recoup some of this money.
I would not recoup any money.
Who cares about you? Right now, you're nothing to her.
Judge Judy.
Miss Mason, the defendant is currently married but separated from your son.
That's correct.
You knew her, according to what I've read, for a long time.
Yes.
Even prior to her marrying your son. And prior to the marriage, because of your relationship, she asked you to co-sign a loan for her for a car.
She did.
Which you did. And in what month and year was that?
That was in March of 2015, Judge.
She purchased a new car?
It was a used car.
How much was the car and how much was the loan?
The loan was for $17,000, and it was a Honda Civic 2012.
And Miss Bates, when did you and Miss Mason's son marry? In what year?
That was in 2016. Or 17, sorry, Your Honor.
And you have a child together, a toddler.
We do.
And you had the car, which you drove since 2015, and which you paid for each month. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
At some point, you stopped paying for the car. In what month was that?
That was in November of 2017.
Have you made a car payment since
I have
on
not.
that car?
No, Your Honor.
So I'm going to deal with your counterclaim first. Your counterclaim is for the money owed for the return or value of the car.
Yes, Your Honor.
Well,
Is she...
so it's clear to me that if you stop making payments on the car, currently Miss Mason has possession of the car, but you stopped making payments on the car over a year and a half ago.
Yes, she offered to make the payments after that date voluntarily, as I had lost my job because her son had joined the military and I was at home taking care of the kids.
Well, that's your problem. That's not what she signed on for in 2015 when she took out this loan for you. So you don't get the money back that you put into the car.
Okay.
Do you understand? That's an easy for me. She did a nice thing for you, co-signed for a car. You had a car. You drove it around for 3.5 years. You paid for it. You stopped paying for it. You breached the contract. What was she going to do? Sue you then for breaching the contract? If she hadn't done a nice thing for you to begin with in 2015, before you were her daughter-in-law, you wouldn't have a car to drive around in 2015, 16, and before you got married in 17. That'd be a fair statement? Yes. Okay. So you don't get the money back. So this is the story, as I understand it. You and Miss Mason's son separated. You left.
Yes, Your Honor.
And he, in whatever jurisdiction he's in, what state is he in?
Arizona.
And where do you live?
North Carolina.
Who do you live with?
With my significant other now.
With another partner?
Yes.
And you left the child with Miss Mason's son?
Yes, at the time, yes.
And how old is that child?
2.
And when you left to be with your new partner to North Carolina, you left the car in Arizona with your husband?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you live in Arizona?
I live in North Carolina.
The car is currently where?
The car is currently in Arizona.
With whom?
The car is with my son because Sam was just coming home to North Carolina for a visit, and she refused to go back to Arizona. So when she abandoned my son and her child, she also deserted the car.
Well, I just want to know where the car is. The car
Arizona.
is currently in Arizona.
Judge.
She's in North Carolina, you're in North Carolina. Right now, either she pays for the car, or I have to assume that your credit is not something that you are particularly concerned about if you stop paying for the car.
No, that wasn't it at all. It's that, again, she volunteered.
Just, I'm not paying attention to
no,
volunteering.
I do care about my credit. I do.
Well, so then why don't you sign off to sell the car so that she could sell the car and recoup some of this money? You drove around in the car for 3 years, so the car has been diminished in value.
She's only willing to sell the car for what's left on the loan itself to pay it off, so I would not recoup any money.
You're not going to recoup any money? Who cares about you? She's going to recoup her money. She's been paying on the car since you stopped paying in 2017. Aren't you following that, Miss Bates?
Yes, sir.
You're not going to get any money. You're not going to get it from me. And what I'm telling you is, if you ever have a court proceeding involving custody, visitation, support, and if it appears that what you did was throw your husband's family into a financial turmoil because you refused to sign over this car so it could be sold and so she can get out from under,